Okay, what I'm doing right now is I am going through my first aid kit because I need to start organizing it. I don't want to have what happened last time of blood running down my leg and not knowing where anything is. Oh! 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 Oh, where's my med kit? Ooh! I sliced my leg open and it hurts like hell and I have blood dripping everywhere. Oh! Where's my med kit? I have one there, but that's not it. Oh, damn it! Ooh. Oh, where's my med kit? Oh, oh, shit. Oh, oh, So, I got a septic pencil. Really good to have. If you've never had one, they're worth it. Every single dime of it. This, what you do is that it's like a chalk, and what you do is that you take it and you rub it on where the affected area, and it stops the blood completely. That's exactly what this stuff is. This stuff is also called Infalab. It's liquid septic. This is good to have as well. So I have both of these. This is the first aid that came on the bus. This is the first aid that I've had randomly around for 20 plus years that I just randomly update. Let's see here, assortment of gauze compress. Let's see here, gauze compress. Well, I can put that in with this one here so I can separate that one. This is mouth to mouth. I'll definitely need that. Then there's a pencil I put in there. There's trash, notebook, assorted dressings. So I'll leave that stuff in there. Assorted dressings. Let's see what's in this here. With latex exam gloves. Oh, okay. Sterile gauze pad. Okay, so this is going to stay here as well. Oh, contains 24 sterile gauze pads, 3x3, 3 sterile eye pads, 2 rolls of adhesive tape, 1 inch, 2 rolls of gauze bandage, 2 inch, 1 pair of latex exam gloves. Okay. Sure. What's the year on this? Is there a year that it's stamped? It's got to be. Probably 95, 94. And alright. Large wound dressing. Sure. Bandage. That can go over here in this one. Bandage compress. Oh yeah, that's all those things. Okay. Well, that can go here. So, I had also gotten for Christmas some of these extra long Band-Aids. These things are super long compared to a normal Band-Aid. Normal Band-Aid, this Band-Aid. So, yeah, you can see there's a difference. This is good for, like, thumbs or fingers and stuff you could wrap up and it's not going to undo from half a wrap. That in here. These are the for open wounds. I'd gotten some of these. So if you have an open wound and you need to pull it together to temporarily, you know, get to a doctor's office or a hospital because you've ripped your finger off or something, or partly off. There you go. Let's see here. I always keep a 6-pack of Lactaid in my bags, because you never know when you're out somewhere. You don't realize that somebody wants to give you a drink and you're not feeling good. Well, yeah, you know why. Okay, I have the tape in that. Oh, I also brought some Neosporin. That needs to go in here. This needs to be tossed out. This is that bad stuff. Oh, first aid antibiotics. So there was some in here. But it's open. 97. Antiseptic wipes. Never know when you need a little piece of copper. Because this is the one that goes in my car. So read those. Oh, let's get down this. I don't know. Sure. Finger condom. Oh, yeah. This, I think, is, what was this? This was, yeah, another pair of scissors. Good, sharp pair of scissors. I like about this one is that this one actually has the separations in it. Oh, and I keep a multi-tool in here as well, because you never know. This is an emergency kit slash about to die kit. So, well, you're about to die. I don't think any of this is going to help, but. Alright, this is the bandage. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Nice spoon and twisty, because you never know. That's part of my camping gear. I started using it in shit like this. The gloves, yeah, I'll just put in here just in case if somebody else is bleeding and I don't want to touch them. It's not that I don't want to touch them, it's that I just don't know their medical history. This little piece of copper has saved me multiple times. Alright. Oh, I forgot this one. Plastic adhesive strips. Oh, Band-Aids. And more Band-Aids. Wow. Whew, I guess I have to put this one. And put this one back in the car. Okay, so let's do this, shall we? Even though that's more than enough that you'll ever need in a lifetime. Unless you go into a war zone and everybody has paper cuts. Let's move this stuff over here. Look at there. Ta-da! Yeah, they don't make them like this anymore. Weatherproof 24 units first aid kit meets requirements for all 1980 and 1990 national standards. This is going to go right here. And it's going to stay in this spot. So, that means that whenever I get a cut or I damage something or I do something, bam, right there. Yeah. Alright, well, it's getting to be that time. It's like almost 5. Which means, yeah, it's 5:11. It's getting dark outside, so I'm going to pack up and I will see you mañana. Peace.